You've come here because you're interested in martial arts. Most of our adults want to get in shape and lose weight. Some want to learn effective self-defense that works in the real world. And about half our students are kids. The self-discipline, confidence, and respectful attitude they learn can't be matched by any other activity or sport. No matter why you're considering martial arts, at Tiger Schulman's, we've got you covered with our unique style of mixed martial arts. And no experience is needed, by the way. 90% of our students start out as total beginners. We've been helping people just like you and your family achieve their goals for over 30 years. Since then, we've set a high standard for martial arts instruction. Our professional black belt instructors on average have 15 years experience, some 20 and even 30 years. However, earning a black belt is just the beginning of their training. All our instructors train weekly with Tiger Schulman himself in order to stay in tip-top shape and continue to improve their skills and their knowledge of the martial arts. It's this proven curriculum and quality of instruction that's the most important difference between Tiger Schulman's and other martial art programs. We teach a combination of kickboxing and close-range defense so you can protect yourself in any situation. It's more fun than going to the gym and sitting on a machine staring at a TV. Our method is perfect for fitness, losing weight, and gaining strength. Thousands of our students have achieved amazing results, including Jen Annunziato, who lost an incredible 130 pounds with our program. And you have the added bonus of learning a lifelong skill, self-defense, including anti-bullying tactics for the kids that works in real situations. Learning mixed martial arts at Tiger Schulman's is all about overall self-improvement, and it works for the whole family. Check out one of our 50 locations in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and Florida to get started. Just fill out the form on this page to get more information. Do it now while it's top of mind.